Welcome to the video 3 of this module 3 of how to make effective point combination. In this video, I will tell you general guidelines to select points. This section includes a discussion of ASHI, local, adjacent and distal points, chains of points, single points, encircling an area, points on yin and yang channels, points on front and back, points above and below, points right and left in common formulas. Number one is when is ASHI, local, adjacent and distal points are useful. This system is especially useful for local problems and channel problems. The principle is to use ASHI or trigger points, adjacent points and local and distal points on the affected channel. ASHI points. These are points in the affected area which are also known as trigger points, which are painful on pressure and which may be on or off the channels. Needle or moxa of ASHI points can often help to relieve local problems. Then comes the local points. These are points on the channels which are in or close to the problem area. For example, Li20 is a local point for rhinitis. As another example, Li11 was used as the local point in case of tennis elbow, since although it was not in the problem area, it was close to it and was the nearest channel point. Then comes adjacent points. These are points that are not in the problem area but are adjacent to it. For example, GB20 for tinnitus. Then comes the distal points. Distal points are points far from the problem area. Example, Li4 and liver 3 for headache. They are not necessarily on the same channel as the problem area. For example, pericardium 6 for pain in the area of stomach 21. However, when distal points are on the same channel as the affected area, they may be combined with local points on the same channel. For example, Li4 and Li15 for shoulder stiffness around Li15. Sometimes it is better to use distal points than local points. For example, some migraines are made worse by the use of local points such as GB14 and GB20, but greatly improved by a distal point such as GB34.